Dali pa, no, mga school plays pa.
Naalala mo pa yun?
Oo naman. So yung mga school plays pa and all that, have you always been aware na magaling ka?
No, I mean, I never think that. But I always think I always try to be reliable. I always try to be great, to strive for greatness or whatever. Sabi nga ni Timothy Chalamet was strive for greatness. But, I never think that, I don't know, parang sabi nga nila, pag binabasa ko yung mga horoscope sa Leo, parang confident, believes in themselves. Parang hindi ako masyado ganun, medyo opposite ng ganun. Pero it helps me because it really grounds me, not believing what you just said, just trying to get better each and every day. Nakakatulong siya sa mindset ko and sa groundedness ko and trying to stay who I am and I want to keep this essence no matter what.
So touching on that, syempre, we are our own worst critics. So if you could
Yes.
critique yourself, like kunwari in your acting, siguro, what do you think you should improve on?
Sakto, kakapanood ko nung Edge of kanina, ang dami kong notes sa sarili ko. Siguro, yung mga choices ko na, wow, magpapaka-technical acting tayo dito. Yung mga choices na medyo halata, like kunwari, kung emotional siya, sinisigaw niya agad. May mga ganun na choices ako dito sa pelikula na panood ko kanina and gusto kong mabago pa siya. Sometimes, nagpo-focus ako, when I make my character sketch, I try to capture the essence of the character in one word. So kunwari, this character, ang essence niya is hubris. Tapos biglang mapapanood ko, parang sumobra ako sa hubris. So parang I should try to be more, ano ba tawag doon? Hindi lang ikahon sa isang essence ng isang character. Kasi tayo naman bilang tao, iba-iba naman tayo ng essence, di ba? Hindi lang isa, hindi lang porket mabait ka with everything, or mayabang ka for life, yun yung katauhan mo. Marami mga pieces of the puzzle that makes us as a human being. So, yun, trying to make deeper characters. Di ko alam kung meron pa bang 4-dimensional, wala na syempre, 3-dimensional lang. Pero if I could go deeper, I would.
Actually, sa Twitter, ang daming like netizens, like, put Elijah in this sad boy loser role, or put Elijah in a love triangle. Ang daming pictures ng mga netizens sa'yo, like projects that you could possibly do, kasi it just shows how versatile you are. So what are your thoughts on that, na pati yung netizens and yung fans mo, ang daming gustong ideas?
So grateful. As in, I have the best fans and they really try to understand me as a person, you know, na parang hindi ako active online, you know, na parang medyo private ako as a person and yung mga projects ko, hindi talaga siya accessible for a lot of people, their festival films or whatever. And even yung music ko, it's rap, it's not for everyone. Pero they really still try to support me and nakakatulong yun eh. I guess it keeps me inspired also kasi having people believe in you, hindi yun dumarating lagi. And if people believe in you, I don't want to let them down. Pero yeah, magiging love triangle ako soon. Tuturo ko ba? Isang pa. Ito, pero may mas formal announcement pa kami niyan. Hello Heaven, I'm working again with Director Neta down and Julia and Enrique. So yeah.
Siguro last for me, how are you now?
I don't know, how do you answer that question? Feeling ko lahat naman tayo pag tinanong how are we, medyo complicated and mamaya maging therapy session na siya. But generally, I'm good, you know. I'm inspired, I'm driven, and I'm excited. I'm happy to be here with you guys. I'm grateful for each and every one of you. And yeah, just taking it day by day.
Thank you so much, Elijah.
Thank you so much, Hannah. God bless you.
That was such a cute question. Aware ka ba naman